Before ResourceRouter, we relied heavily on time of day reports, day of the week, and data from our monthly ComStat meetings to identify where we need to focus our patrol efforts. While it was effective to an extent, it definitely came with its own challenges, especially how timely, how accurate the information was. And sometimes by the time, we adjusted our patrol focuses, the data was somewhat old. Since ResourceRouter, we have made our patrol operations more efficient, more responsive. The system generates timely, data-driven patrol areas, which helps us focus on crime that actually may occur in certain areas of our city. It has also allowed our supervisors and command staff to track how much time we're spending in specific areas within the city. We have seen some significant drops. Our overall crime has dropped by 25%, violent crime dropped by 14%, and our property crime dropped by 37%. Preliminarily, we see that ResourceRouter has assisted us in dropping these numbers. Some of the key benefits of ResourceRouter has helped us to better engage within our community. Our officers are now spending more time in areas that they weren't regularly spending time before. That's visibility that makes a difference. People see us out there, they know that we're there to assist in preventing crime and making sure our neighborhoods are safer. We have also created custom patrol areas based off not just the ResourceRouter data, but also using ResourceRouter to help us base locations off citizen concerns and complaints that may come in to us. That level of responsiveness has helped us boost a relationship built on trust. An unexpected benefit that we have had is that if we are asked what are some of the things that we've been doing, how much time we've been spending in certain neighborhoods, we can provide that to a citizen who may want to know that, so it adds to another level of transparency and accountability. ResourceRouter is a force multiplier. It saves time, it improves how we track our data, it allows us to communicate clearly with the public about what we're doing and why. Most importantly, it shows our community that we are making smart, data-informed decisions to keep them safe. And that builds real confidence in our police department.